Well, this is a Jolly Roger Stan Thomas kiddie ride. I'm going to do 3 rides, so let's do this. It allows me to do 3 rides, if you don't believe me. So let's go.
Please select authorizing.
Start one in just in case. No, it's been bypassed, which I knew. There we go. There we go. Remember Jolly Roger? In 2006. I did last look at Lanes Costa Limited. Yeah, I think I feel a rally car over there. Ben Schultz. Yeah, unfortunately it has a bit loud motor, apparently. It's not wobbling or anything. I'm not sure what's wrong with the start button, to be honest. I usually have loads of problems with that, to be honest. Yes, I will. Be patient. Second ride. But it's not about activation to be bypassed for some reason. Not sure why. If I'm going to allow me to do 3 rides actually, which I'm glad about. The push button does work. It's just unresponsive. Just like that. Yeah, you can see the back of it. It does is down there if you can see. Like this modo there ends off. Here's rally car over there. It sounds so catchy. Would you believe? That's why I love this ride. Oh! Oh, it does have start button. Activation actually. Probably the start one's a bit faulty. Well, you know what, I think it's going to start about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I mean, the press line's a bit, faulty. I think the push button appears to be jammed, I think. I mean, the cover isn't jammed. It still works fine, but the sound kit just keeps on playing when the button is pushed for some reason. I'm not sure why. Actually. I don't know what's going on with this ride. Yeah, apparently they moved that next to Thomas. I don't know why they did that for. You don't take coins, rally car. Yeah, apologies, the mode's a bit loud on this unit. It's a bit low volume. Yeah, that was a Jolly Roger Stan Thomas the Tanker to the Friends kiddie ride with 3 rides. Started at Romford, the Mercury Shopping Centre.